Hello and welcome to day 93 of Bedtime Welsh, and apparently I need to shave, so I'll have done that before day 94. And it's new word time. So the new word for today is to know. And to know, actually there are more ways you can say it, but one of the way we're doing today, to know in Welsh is gwybod. Gwybod. So can you give me to know?
Gwybod.
Gwybod. Okay, how about I know?
Dwi'n gwybod.
Dwi'n gwybod. Okay, how about I know who's in the garden?
Dwi'n gwybod pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Dwi'n gwybod pwy sydd yn yr ardd. Okay, how about I know that you want? Can you remember that one? I know that you want.
Dwi'n gwybod bod ti isio.
Dwi'n gwybod bod ti isio. And last one for today, can you give me I know that you want to eat?
Dwi'n gwybod bod ti isio bwyta.
Dwi'n gwybod bod ti isio bwyta, which I kind of want to bwyta at the moment. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go and do some bwyta, and we'll see you again for day 94. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!